In the year 2024, the quickest car assembly line in the world set an impressive milestone of 45 seconds, and it belonged to none other than Tesla with its Model Y. But now, Tesla has outdone itself. At present, they operate a production line that assembles a vehicle in only 33 seconds. It moves so fast that it almost outpaces what the human eye can track. Lars Moravi, Tesla's vice president of engineering, noted, "They are now running 2 lines for the Model Y, producing 13,000 units in 140 hours. That equates to a pace closer to 35 seconds per car. Just think about that 33 seconds to fully build a vehicle." For comparison, a standard espresso machine takes about 30 to 60 seconds to prepare 1 cup of coffee. In that same time, a complete car rolls off Tesla's line. At Tesla's Giga Shanghai, this incredible pace is not theoretical, it's real. From the outside, the factory looks like a massive building, but inside lies a marvel of modern manufacturing. So how is Elon Musk achieving this 33-second pace for building a car? And does such speed impact quality? Let's explore this process. Most people choose a car based on design, features, or driving range, but few consider how they are built. Currently, Tesla has 5 major factories around the world involved in vehicle production. In the United States, the Fremont plant builds the entire lineup Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. Gigafactory Texas, located in Austin, currently manufactures the Model Y and will soon be the production hub for the Cybertruck and the Cybercab autonomous taxi. Giga Nevada focuses on the Tesla Semi, a heavy-duty electric truck. Despite its complexity, Tesla aims to build 50,000 units annually. In Europe, Gigafactory Berlin produces the Model Y for European customers. And in China, Giga Shanghai plays a leading role, building both the Model 3 and Model Y for the Asian market and boasting the highest output across Tesla's entire global network. Some say the production line inside Giga Shanghai feels like watching high-tech toys being assembled. It moves so quickly that it looks like a futuristic AI-generated video, but it's all real. At Giga Shanghai, human workers are rarely found on the assembly line itself. Most of the work is done by robotic arms, Giga Press machines, and other automated systems that run continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To produce a Model Y in under 35 seconds, the most crucial part is building the car's structural frame. Wait! Before we roll on, welcome to Amp Drive. If you're into Tesla and futuristic tech, don't just watch, join the crew. Amp Drive is still under 1,000 subs. Yup, we're the early stage OGs. Smash that red button and be part of something before it blows up. Why scroll past when you can ride with the future? In the past, Tesla used massive stamping machines that pressed flat sheets of aluminum into various parts. That method has been replaced by something far more efficient. Tesla now uses a powerful machine called the Giga Press. This massive die-casting machine was introduced under Elon Musk's vision and is often called the heart of Tesla's rapid production line. The Giga Press can mold the entire rear underbody of a Model Y in just 5 seconds using over 6,200 tons of pressure. That's roughly the weight of over 1,200 elephants. This allows Tesla to reduce what used to be 70 separate parts into just 1 or 2 massive castings, eliminating about 370 welds. Traditional car manufacturing involves many separate stamped parts joined together by welding, bolts, or adhesives requiring time and hundreds of welding robots. With the Giga Press, Tesla skips most of that. As a result, the Model Y's rear underbody production cost has dropped by nearly 40%. Tesla also eliminated about 300 robots from the production line using this technique. Once cast, the part is removed by a robot, cooled in water heated to 50 degrees Celsius, and sent down the line. This method not only saves time but also reduces weight, which improves energy efficiency and handling. Tesla believes this casting innovation has also lowered labor costs by roughly 20%. Once the car's main frame is done, robotic arms take over the rest of the assembly process. From component installation to painting, each step is carried out with precision and speed. The frame moves through the paint shop, where it is primed, sanded, coated, and dried. The color choice determines how many layers are applied. White is the simplest, while red requires multiple coats and metallic particles, making it more expensive. Once painted and polished, the frame moves forward for glass, panels, and electronics installation. At the same time, a separate part of the factory assembles the underbody and drivetrain. This includes the structural battery pack and electric motors. The battery pack, already built as one large unit, is placed in the center of the underbody. The front and rear cast pieces are attached to it, forming the vehicle's lower frame. Next, the motors are installed and connected via shafts and a gearbox to enable all-wheel drive. Then come the suspension, brakes, and wheels. At this point, the lower structure resembles a skateboard. Carpets, seats, and interior features are installed directly on top, with seats bolted to the structural battery pack. Although it sounds like many steps, this all happens in rapid succession. In the final stage, the car's upper body is lowered onto the completed underbody with precise alignment. Bolts connected through the battery structure, forming a rigid and crash-safe vehicle frame. Once assembled, each car undergoes detailed inspection. Skilled workers check for quality and safety, ensuring the speed of production doesn't compromise standards. That's how Tesla builds one Model Y every 33 seconds. Giga Shanghai is essential to Tesla's output. It can build over 1 million vehicles annually and benefits from lower labor costs, local suppliers, and government incentives. These factors help Tesla offer competitive pricing and strong margins. Despite local competitors like BYD, XPeng, and Geely, the Model Y remains one of the top-selling EVs in China. Automation is so advanced that most human workers focus on monitoring the machines, managing systems, and ensuring everything stays on track. In the near future, even this could change as Tesla rolls out Optimus, its humanoid robot designed to handle factory tasks with precision and endurance. What's even more remarkable is that Giga Shanghai runs non-stop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It doesn't pause for breaks or shift changes. Software, sensors, and AI keep the plant running smoothly. If a machine fails, the system instantly identifies the problem, triggers alerts, and reroutes tasks as needed. That's why some refer to it as a self-healing factory. Data flows through every part of the plant in real time, monitoring performance and spotting flaws before they become issues. Automated vehicles carry materials through the factory with no drivers, adjusting their paths as needed. China is the largest EV market in the world, and Giga Shanghai lets Tesla avoid import duties and reduce delivery times. It also serves as an export base for European and other Asian markets. This lowers dependence on American factories and streamlines Tesla's global supply chain. Giga Shanghai is also central to Tesla's plan for a next-generation affordable EV. This new $25,000 model is expected by the end of 2025. According to Lars Moravi, it will be built on the same line as the Model Y, using shared tools and processes to lower costs and speed up production. With 80% fewer parts than the Model Y, it might be built even faster, possibly within 20 seconds per unit. It will use lithium iron phosphate batteries from CATL, the world's largest battery maker. Producing it in Shanghai means avoiding tariffs and keeping prices competitive across Asia and Europe. In our view, this new vehicle proves Tesla's manufacturing technology is years ahead of the competition. As Tesla pushes to dominate the affordable EV segment, Giga Shanghai remains its most powerful weapon. What do you think about Tesla producing a car every 33 seconds? Can any automaker match that speed?